Hello! To record screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, all you have to do is to swipe down into this quick settings panel right here, and here we can find the screen recorder. It looks like this camera icon with this like corners around, as you can see. And in case you cannot find this button right here, you simply have to press this pencil icon and press edit, and right here in the available buttons you might find the screen recorder, or it will be somewhere down below right here. But anyways, this is the screen recorder, and simply you have to press it, and right here you're being asked to start recording with the screen recorder, and you can choose to record sound, to record only media and mic, and you can actually record no sound. And right here is also a switch to show taps and touches, and you simply enable what do you want and press start recording. And right here we have the 3 seconds countdown, and after this the recording starts just begins. And right here we have this pencil icon to probably draw around on the screen. We can, what is this? Here we have the front camera. We can enable the front camera of ourselves. We can pause the recording. We can record back again, and we can stop recording by pressing this square on the top. So yeah, that's how to record your screen. Thank you for watching.